Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. Okay, for this project we're going to use only 3 ingredients. There is glitter, gold glitter. There is white metallic paint. Is this one from Artist Loft. And I added a little bit of glitter also that I'm going to mix together. And just a touch of metallic gold. That's it. Now I am going to add the medium. Is 50% glue and 50% water. I'm using Elmer's glue. And because I want to make this liquid enough. So I'm using again 1 part of paint and 1 part of medium, as you can see. There you go. And now if needed, add a little bit of water. If it's too thin, then add a little bit of Elmer's glue until you get the right consistency, the one that works for you. See, that's the water if needed. I'm okay with mine, so here it is. Now I'm going to use silicone, 3-in-1 silicone, to add to my gold. And the glitter, no, why not? All right, we'll see what happens. Okay, I am going to incorporate it now, not too much, and also with the gold. This is a very simple painting, I would call it pour, but it's very, I don't know, I really like it. A friend from Spain went to a gallery and saw something very similar to this, sent me a picture and said, hey Patty, why don't you try this idea? And so here it is. So Yoli, this is for you. As you can see, I am just, I smear the white paint throughout my canvas panel. Now I'm going to use my little torch to burst the little air bubbles. Not a big deal, you know, you will see them when you make them. And that's it. Make sure to cover the whole panel because it works better for the next step. Now I'm going to add the gold to for accents. So just a little bit, just, you know, just tiny. I got this idea from Karen Goodrich, and I absolutely love her idea. So I decided to try it out, and I'm excited about how it's gonna turn out. So just a little gold for an accent. That's it. Now I'm going to swipe it a little bit with my palette knife, or you can use, I don't know, whatever tools you use for swiping. There you go. Just enjoy. Just enjoy the process. There is nothing to be stressed about. This is your work, and if you're happy with it, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. I like this painting, this project, because it's simple yet is classy. It's minimalistic and yet is very modern. So I couldn't wait to try it out and appreciate my friend Yoli to send me the picture and give me the idea. So now I am going to add the glitter that I mixed with the medium. Let's see, trying to find an angle that you guys can see better. Maybe the other side? No. Okay, let's See if we can turn it around maybe, if I don't make you dizzy in the process. Okay, let's see. Let's try this out. I want you guys to see how pretty it's gonna look once we use the glitter. Okay, making sure we use all of it. See, nothing left. There we go. And now I'm going to use the palette knife to extend it to cover the whole panel. Well, in the bottom side. So, what are your plans for Christmas? Are you all ready for Christmas? This year, we are going to make a Filipino theme. My husband's birthday is the 24th, Christmas Eve, and we have a friend who shares the same birthday. So, every year, we try to pick a theme. So, we have already tried Spanish food, Mexican food, German food, and this year we're gonna do Filipino food. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little piece of paper, cardboard, whatever you call it, to do my swiping. Okay, and there we go. And let's try to make it in different sizes to make it look uneven, and that's what's going to complement this painting. See, I'm loving what I'm seeing. I know some of you are going to tell me, no, that's not painting, that's just too easy, it's too simple, blah, blah, blah. It's okay. You think whatever you want, but you know what? I love the way it looks, because of what I explained to you. It's simple and it's modern, and I love glitter. And it's easy. Has few ingredients, few products. So anyway, this is how it looks. Now, see those little white dots that are forming on my right side in there? That's because of the silicone that I used. So when you do this, don't just skip the silicone in your glitter. Just mix the glitter with your medium, and that's it. So I'm just trying to put a little bit more of glitter here to cover them a bit. And so I am going to continue working on this and use a little bit of, just a tiny bit of glitter on top to kind of harmonize the whole painting, the whole work, see? And then it looks like the glitter is just rising. So I'm going to continue working on this, and if this video has helped you in any way, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. So now here is the dry pour. You see those tiny little white spaces in there? That's because of the silicone. So we pretty much created cells with the glitter, and I did not want them. So next time, just skip it. This is now how it would look already on a frame, just to give you an idea. So just wanted to show you. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.